Hi, I would like to thank you for taking the time to learn how to register properly with Purelight Technologies. My name is Garnett Banfield. I'm an independent distributor based out in New York City, marketing these services across the internet and in my community. Um, First of all, here we are on our website. I just want to show you if you were on this website, betterbulbs.com/WFP lighting.com. You see this here. This is my username for the company, right? Every independent distributor has a username which you set up upon registration. Whether you're a customer or someone who would like to earn 10% commission on every sale that you generate for the company globally. So before I move on to the next part, I want to just make sure that you had a chance by scrolling down this website that we give every distributor on our team for free. This is independent of the actual free website you get from Purelight Technologies, which I'll show you in a second. So this is only exclusive to our team members who are serious about building a home-based business with us. So we have a lot of information here. It's a lot to watch, but it's very important to review it and get a strong understanding of what kind of products and how these products actually work. Okay, we have frequently asked questions. People have a lot of questions, so there's a section here for that. You can scroll and watch. Conference calls we have every week. It's all here, right? Corporate information. If you need that information, it's there. I say everything that's on the company is pretty much on this website, plus some other things as well. The different types of products that's coming soon, and these are all happening next month. Kitchen and bath products. We can read that up there. It's very powerful information. All right. What I want to get at is one thing that a lot of people ask about is our research. Are there any lab reports on this company? And here it is all here. We have 2 so far, and you can actually click to download the information. Here is the research report right here. It's a 6-page report, and you can go through that information as well. Right, so we have a lot of information on the site. And as far as marketing, I will share with you exactly what I'm doing to help you build your business. I actually give every distributor free leads. We use a lead marketing system that is free as well, and I can just import my leads to you, and you can call these people. Or if you don't know how to do it, there's a lot of free training on the website as well that shows you how to speak or contact leads to pique their interest about Purelight Technologies. All right, so let's move on to our registration process here. Everyone will have to click on this here. Click here to join now. Just click here. Right? Once we're here, this is the Purelight Technologies corporate website, and every customer and distributor actually gets a free website just like this. So what you would do is you don't want to shop now because you don't want to pay retail. You want to join as a buyer in the Buyers Club, which is here. So you're going to click on Join Buyers Club. And how I get credit is my website, my username is right here, WFP Lighting, because you clicked on that link prior, right? And that's how I get the credit. So you click here, Join Buyers Club. And now we have 2 options. It's really one for now, because if you notice here, Gold Club Business Member, this is fairly new. Is not available at this time. It'll sometime be available in March 2018. So the only option you have right now is to join as a Gold Club member. Click here. Next, the company gives you different options here, and what you're doing is verifying the sponsor. Who is your sponsor? And your sponsor is Garnett Banfield, or it might be someone else. If someone else from my team is actually using this video to build their business. But for now, what you want to do is you just want to copy and paste the PLT ID number. That's my ID number with the company. So I'm just going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to drop it in this section right here. Click. I can even use the username as well. So either the username or the username or the PLT number you can use and copy and paste here, Once you do that, you want to click Verify Sponsor, right? Once it's verified, and it'll repeat the information as well, just to make sure it's the correct person. You just want to click Continue. Now this is a 4-step process. I'm not going to go through all of them. It's pretty self-explanatory. Club registration, initial product order, billing and shipping, and submit your order. So I'm going to pause the video for a moment and fill in these areas down below just to make sure, because I'm already in the system, and if I put duplicate information, it will not go in. So I'm just going to make up a username and pretty much make up a free account just for this demo. Okay, so hold. Okay, so I fill in the some information here. I put in my username, save with us one. You have to confirm that again and type it in again. You want to put a password. It asks you for 8 to 15 characters long, must contain capital letters, a number, and a special character. And it tells you what you cannot use as far as creating your password. Okay, so once that's done, you put in the active email address so the company can send you a welcome letter and also a receipt of your products that you purchased. And you want to put in your first name and last name. You also want to click and read the PLT Buyers Club agreement. Once that's done, you want to verify by putting in whatever these random words or numbers that pop up down here. Just put it in this area here. So once that's done, you click on continue to next step. Let's see what happens. Hopefully I don't get rejected. Password is required, must be at least 8 characters and may not contain spaces, must have at least one number. So password. Okay, password. I have a number ready. Okay, so I'll put 1, 2, 3. See if that works. Okay. Must 8 characters. Oh, one special character. See that here? That's why it's not working. So let's put something in here, $sign. Put it here again, $sign. Now it'll work. So now that's my new password. Okay, so once that's completed, you go on to step 2. Actually, it's giving me an error here because it seemed like I have this already. Invalid email. I already used this email in a previous demo I probably did. So let me pause the video and I'll have to go back and create another one. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I just created a new Gmail account, LED light bulb test at gmail.com, really quick, just for this demo. So same information. Let's see, go to step 2 now. Okay, wonderful. So that worked. So you cannot use the same email twice to make 2 accounts. You will get it will show up as an invalid email. So this is step 2, and it shows you ABC, exactly what happens when you created this account. You get a 50% discount if you purchase more than $140 worth of product. Your membership fee is waived, so that's a great savings on that, and also for additional bulbs. So what we're just showing right now is the basics of what you need to start a home-based business with Purolite Technologies. So there are certain things that's already marked off already for you. Is the membership fee is $50 that get waived once you spend over $144 in products, right? So what we want to do is you want to look right here. It tells you Gold Club Base, this second one option. First order 50% off, LED non-dimmables. These are not dimmables. If you want the dimmables, we have them down here. It will cost you about $10 more if you look at the pricing. 144, 155. But instead of 12, you actually get 10 LED bulbs. Okay, and this is 12 here. So if you don't need dimmables, just get the non-dims. It's cheaper, and you'll have 12. And you can actually give these out to people as use it for demos, and they can see the power of these bulbs, and eventually they may become a customer or become a distributor. You never know, because the bulbs do work. Okay, so we want to choose option 1 is 1. That's all you need. Right, it'll reset itself and update. And we just want to go down to the bottom. If you don't need anything else, just leave everything else as zeros. It's fine. If you need more bulbs, you can just choose the bulb you need and purchase. Okay, so here we go. It's total subtotal of 194. But promotion is waived at $50. They take that off. Your flat shipping rate, if it's being shipped in the United States, is $12.75 for a total of $156.75. It'll take about 5 to 6 business days to get to you, and once you have it, just screw it in and leave these bulbs on for a minimum of 45 minutes for it to take effect to start working. I mean, if you have someone you know has mold in their basement or their apartment, just put it on and leave it on. Don't turn it off, and see what the results are in the next few days or weeks. Okay, so once that's all completed, you can continue to secure checkout. Right? It'll just verify some more information with you. It'll show that the sponsor is WFP Lighting, which is myself, and you just want to verify that, yes, right? And that's locked in as Garnett Banfield, WFP, and with my ID number for the company. I will also get an email once you complete step 3 and 4. You will get an email, a welcome email from the company, and I will also get an email stating that John Doe just joined, and please call him to help him get started to earn an income and learning how this company works. And that's where I will help you with giving you free leads from the company. I've purchased over for the next 4 months a total of 8,000 leads from people who are looking for a home-based business. So you will get several hundred leads for free. You don't have to pay for this stuff. So that's my way of helping you build this business. That's the added value you get for joining my team. Also, you get the free website as well, right? So I'm not going to continue on here, but you just want to fill in this information. Actually, I'll pause the video, fill it in, and go to see what happens at step 4. Hold on. Okay, I went ahead and filled out some information here, which is the step 3. So I put in my name, my email address. Actually, this email address needs to be changed to the email address I had on file prior. 1 second. Let me get that from Google since I don't remember what it is. So here it is here. Okay, that's the email address. I need to change this one over here as well. So email address, phone number, address, city, state, zip code, etc. Right? If the shipping is same as your billing, just want to click that mark and it'll update it automatically. You don't have to retype this over. So once that's done, it'll ask you, hey, how did you hear about us? YouTube, radio, Blaze, other. So I can just leave it as YouTube if that's where you saw my video. And go to step 4, continue to secure checkout. So it's asking to verify my information. That may show up sometimes. So I say, okay, confirm verified address, right? Step 3 is asking for a credit card. I'm not going to put this information in because I don't want to set up a new account. I was just doing this for this demo. So basic information, put in your information here. And I'm sure at step 4 it's going to say click submit to process this order. Once that's done, you will get an email. As I said, I will get an email as well. And I want to welcome you to the team and help you earn income in this company to benefit and help your family. Okay? Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.